Welcome to a TealGun shoot, and we are going to test plyboard against the TealGun. Excuse the noise in the background. It's a very busy day at the range, but let's get this on the road. 2 cans of Coke. They go behind here, the TealGun target. Right there. Put the next one back here. I'll put the next one in here. There we go. Now a plyboard, nice and steady there. It's all 1/2 inch. All 1/2 inch. All 1/2 inch. All 1/2 inch plyboard. And over here we've got a rubber ball. So we're going to shoot that with a TealGun. Rightio, let's have a look at some of the other stuff we're going to shoot. We're going to shoot this one here. 410, 9, shot size 9. It's only 2.5 and a buckshot. We're going to shoot the 410 here, the shot here, and the buckshot over here. Here we have the 22. We'll shoot these down here, and the TealGun we're going to shoot just here. Alright, are we good to go? We have the police training in the background. We're going to set the camera up on the table, and we're going to get shooting. Well, that's the end of that one. 22. Right, now the TealGun. And another one just for good measure. 2 shots from the teal and 1 shot on the ball. Alright, now just before, yeah, pick it up. Alright, now let's have a look at the buckshot. Now we had a bit of a drama there, whereas the light 410 load absolutely blew the target to smithers. So we've got our buckshot here, and we're just going to have to shoot the 22 target. Actually, bring the camera, we'll turn the 22 target around just quickly. Ever so quickly. So with the 22 target, that's 3 shots. Bop, bop, bop. And she's gone clean through all 4. So she's ripped that in half. We're going to turn it around and shoot the buckshot, Winchester buckshot. Quickly, let's go back in. Here's a buckshot, and let's give her a shot. Now, trusty camera lady is doing an awesome job. Here we go. And just not to muck around too much, let's get a... Let's try one of these. This is a Winchester number 4, 3 inch. We'll pop that in there. We're going to try the ball over here. Pick up the camera and come over here. There's the ball hanging there. Ball's hanging down. Let's give her a hit with the 410. And let's have a look at the targets. Well, that's the TealGun target, and our cans of Coke are still intact. I'll take them home and I'll drink them. That's lovely. So look at the teal. She's cracked that 12mm bit of ply. She's cracked it and didn't go anywhere near the 5. So I'll put these cans of Coke up here. And look at the damage that we've got here. Now we shot this one with the 22, and that's already on the video. And then we've just shot this with the buckshot and she's absolutely blown it to pieces. There's the balls there. The 22s went through there. The buckshots just went through there and just tore it a fresh one. The target load, this is the target load. 410 number 9 shot target load. Look what it did. It blew through 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you thought maybe a 410 light target load was a safer option, think again. Let's go back to the teal. Here's the teal target. And here is the 410 target. And let's have a real quick look at our ball. Let's quickly have a look at our ball, eh? Yeah, well, there you go. That's finished. Alright, thanks for watching. What we're going to do when we get home is we're going to do this. Oh. And there's Teal's recoverable bullets. They're reusable. We'll shoot that bullet again. We're now going to go home and shoot this. A video about a golf club versus plyboard. Thanks for watching. Wait for part 2. Cheers for now. Well, I didn't expect that. That's a bring the camera. Yeah, the pieces have gone all over the place. Put the camera down there. Show what happened.